Hello students, in this video we are going to start numerical 1 on Gauss law. So let me start. Given a sphere of radius A, it contains uniform volume charges having density rho naught coulomb per meter cube inside of sphere. Then calculate electric field intensity everywhere. It means inside and outside of the sphere. So this is the sphere of radius A, which is shown, and it has radius of A and it is containing the volume charges. Now we have to calculate the electric field inside and outside of the sphere. For that we have to apply the Gauss law, and we will assume one Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface is also here cylinder. Gaussian surface is here sphere having radius r, but r is less than a. When we calculate the outside, then r will be greater than a. So we are applying Gauss law inside the sphere, and the Gauss law is double integration d vector dot ds vector, it is equal to charge enclosed, and the value of charge enclosed, it is rho v dv. So d into integration of ds, it is the rho naught into integration of dv, it is equal to total volume. So it is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And the integration of ds, it is the total area of the sphere, and the total area of the sphere, it is 4 pi r square. As we know, the outer surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, is equal to rho naught into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 pi and 4 pi will cancel, and r square and r cube here will cancel, and the value of d, it is equal to rho naught r by 3 ar. So this is the flux density inside the sphere, but we can calculate the value of E. So E is equal to rho naught r by 3 epsilon ar vector. So this is our answer for the electric field inside the sphere. Now we calculate the outside of the sphere. Then we will again apply the Gauss law, and this is the Gauss law, which is integration d vector dot ds vector is equal to charge enclosed. Then now we will take the sphere outside. This black color sphere is the sphere which is outside the original sphere. So here the radius is again r, but now r is greater than a. So if r is greater than a, so d into integration of ds, it is equal to rho naught into 4 by 3 pi a cube. Here we will take a cube because the charge is only up to radius a. If we take radius more than a, then there is no charge. So d into 4 pi r square is equal to rho naught into 4 by 3 pi a cube. So d is equal to, when we solve, then rho naught a cube by 3r square ar. So this is our answer. And we can also calculate the value of electric field E. It is rho naught a cube by 3 epsilon r square ar vector. So this is our answer for r greater than a. This is the graph which we can plot by solving the above question. Inside electric field is linearly increasing, but the outside of the sphere, it is parabolically decreasing, and on the sphere it is the maximum, and the mod of Emax, it is rho naught a by 3 epsilon. So thank you students